Good afternoon. This is a wristwatch with a magic stingray bracelet from the Citadel Watch Shop. On a delicate female hand. Under the red dress will fit divinely. The wristwatch has been serviced and runs accurately. The movement is quartz. Glass sapphire, surrounded by ceramic links. Also encrusted on the sides with diamonds, the dial is in the form of a marble stone with the effect of transfusion and the play of light in the sun's rays. The case size is 30 millimeters. Excellent condition. Have a nice shopping.